Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video. All of you know the 7th chapter was going on, that is dissolutions of the partnership firm according to your textbook part 1. This is the last chapter. The previous video exercise question number 5 I completed. According to your textbook, chapter 7, page number 311, question number 5, I completed the previous video. Today I will do the next question, that is question number 6. The chapter what I am teaching you, that is not at all hard chapter. Only the few points, if you are able to remember, then the whole the chapter of 8 marks you will get it. I told you once again, I want to repeat you, 3 marks question 3 marks questions you will get from this chapter. Apart from that, 1 MCQ and 1 also section B question, total 8 marks questions you will get. First video I told that one, the MCQ as well as the section B questions. Second video onwards, I have done the practical sums. Today, I will start the question number 6. You follow the question number 6. Here, I have done the 2 journal format. From here to here, 1 journal format, and from here to here, there is another journal format. You take, this is the first page and this is the second page. Journal entry I will write, narration you will write in your own language. I am reading the questions, you follow the questions very carefully. Page number 311, question number 6. Pass journal entries for the following transactions when realizations account is prepared. That means from this sentence you have to understand the question is from chapter 7. In your question paper, the question is from which chapter, it will not be mentioned. So that also you have to understand, this question is from chapter 7. Number 1, the book value of the machinery is rupees 50,000, which was taken over by a partner, Darshan, for rupees 55,000. Here book value is given. So when book value is given, first of all you have to pass the first entry, which is called the transfer entry. Then second entry, either it is sold off or it is taken by somebody. So machine it is debit, we have to make it a credit, and realization account will be debit. So first entry is coming, realization account debit to machinery account. Book value is rupees how much? 50,000. 50,000 book value, the machine is transferred to the realization account. Narrations you will write. This is 1 ka 1. अब 1 ka 2. That is, partner has taken these machines. I told that 2 sentences you will keep in mind. Partner can take the liability, partner can take the assets. If partner is taking the assets, partner's capital account will be debit. Partner is taking the liability, partner's capital account will be credit. So partner is taking assets, so partner's capital account will be debit. Who has taken? The Darshan. So Darshan's capital account debit. Darshan, I am writing a capital, it may be the capital oblique current account, whatever it is. Darshan's capital account debit to realization account. Which amount he has taken? More than 5, मतलब 55. 55,000 she has taken this one. So this is first entry and this is the second entry. Now let me come back to the second point. Very easy. Partners Bimal has accepted to pay the bills payables of rupees 15,000. Partners Bimal has accepted to pay the bills payable of rupees 15,000. From this sentence you have to understand that bills payables book value, how much it was given, that is not there. So it is understood the bills payables book value, it was 15,000 only. And that 15,000 you have to first transfer entry, you have to pass the transfer entry, first entry, then that partner who is taking. Like that, realization account debit in machine, it was assets. Now bills payable is the liability and it is a credit balance. You have to make it a debit. So bills payable account debit. Bills payable account debit to realization account. This is how much? 15,000. First entry. And second entry. 2-1, 2-2. That is second entry. Second entry what happened? Now bills payable, it is this responsibility has been taken by a partner Bimal. So Bimal has taken the liability. Partner is taking the liability means partner circle account will be credit. So realization account will be debit. Realization account debit to Bimal's capital account. Amount was not changed. So we write 15,000 and 15,000. There is no change at all. Third. What is the third one? Past bad debt was written off 11,000, out of which 6,000 are recovered. Will you pass the first entry? No. Why? Because bad debt, it has already treated in the profit loss account debit side once. In profit loss account debit side, you have written bad debt whenever you have done the final account. And you did not expect that time that you will get back the money. But after a certain month or a year, you are getting back the money of which 6,000. So only one entry will come, that is cash account debit, which you did not expect that you are getting now. Cash account debit to realization account. Only one entry. It will come, that is called cash account debit to realization account. How much? 6,000. But the bad debt of rupees 11,000 first entry for transfer entry you don't pass, because bad debt entry it was already written or it was recorded in the profit and loss account. So first entry will not come for the third one. Now fourth, the book value of the sundry assets is 270, मतलब 2,70,000. So first entry will pass. And it was released 2,27,000. So first entry and second entry, that you understand. This is fourth one. First entry, it is which one? The assets, debit, meaning a credit, like that. Realization account debit, realization account debit to sundry assets. How much? 2,70,000. Book value. Transfer entry. First one. And second one. You got the cash. How much? Cash account debit. Cash account debit to realization account. How much? 2,27,000. I think so. You check it. Let me check it. 2,27,000, yes. One is 270, another is 227, correct. The fourth is over. Now, fifth. What is fifth is given? Read the question very carefully. Fifth is given. The sundry creditors of rupees 60,000 paid at 25% discount. Sundry creditors of rupees 60,000, which is given first to pass the transfer entry. 60,000 sundry creditors, you pass the transfer entry. So 5-1. Sundry creditors is the credit balance. You have to make it a debit. Sundry creditors account debit to realization account. How much? 60,000. Transfer entry. Why you transfer? You transfer to the realization account. And 5-2. How much you pay? You pay 25% discount. Question may come. 25% means 1/4. 1/4 means 25% means you don't take the calculator every time. Some of the calculations is there, you will not use the calculator. 25% means 1/4. 1/4 of 6,000 means 15,000. That means if you deduct 15,000 from the 60,000, you will get 45,000. That means you paid 45,000. 45,000 is the 75%. What you are doing, you are taking the calculator, you are pushing that one so many numbers and you are getting the wrong answer. So that was some of the strict, some of the rules, some of the method you have to understand. Now you paid मतलब cash has gone up. तो realization account debit to cash or bank. How much? 45. I think question already came in your mind. Sir, the discount account, why you have not written here? 15,000 discount, this is your credit. That is not right because that already it is deposited in the realization account. Realization account it was credit by 60 and it was debit by 45 means realization account 15,000 credit हो गया है. Do you understand what I said? One more formula, one more tricks I want to tell you that how we will remember. Wherever you will find out the two entry, 1, 2, 1, 2. That time first entry realization account debit if it is there, second entry realization account credit will be there. Shall I repeat? Where you are getting the two journals, that is fourth 1 and fourth 2, they are two journals. If first journal realization account is debit, second journal realization account will be credit. Similarly, first journal realization account is credit, second journal realization account will be debit. Obviously, here also 1, 2, where two entry you will get. Realization debit, realization credit, realization debit, realization credit. That also you can, this way also you can remember it. It is 5 is over. Now 6, unrecorded tax. Unrecorded tax of rupees 5,000 you have to pay. Unrecorded, it is not recorded, so transfer entry will not come. If it is recorded, then transfer entry will come. So you have to pay the tax. And tax we are paying, cash is going out. This is 6-1. Cash is going out. So realization account debit. Realization account debit to cash or bank. How much? The 5,000. Sixth is over. Now we are coming for the 7. What is 7th is given? Dissolution expense paid. Here also one entry. Because dissolution expense it was not recorded in your balance sheets. Balance sheet में dissolution expense होता ही नहीं है. Whenever you are going to dissolve, that time expense is coming. So you are paying this dissolution expense 7 entry. The realization account debit. Realization account debit to cash. How much? The also 5,000. And the 8. 8 is given. Goodwill is not disclosed in the books. Goodwill is not disclosed in the books means first entry will not come. But 20,000 are released from the sale of it at the time of dissolutions. So only second entry you will get. And you are getting cash where goodwill was not recorded in your old balance sheet. If it is recorded, first entry will pass, then second entry. If it is not recorded, first entry will not come, only the second entry. And you are getting cash. So cash account debit, oblique, bank account debit to realization account. How much? You are getting 20,000. At last, you will add it. I did not do. You will add this all debit, this plus debit, and you will write it here. Similarly, the amount what comes in the debit column, same will come in the credit column, and you will close it. Students, I will tell you one more thing is there. most of the students they are doing perfectly, but some of the students they are not doing. You will not give a chance to a teacher to deduct a marks of anywhere. Where you write the journal entries in the books of World Economics, name given, date, particulars, elect, debit amount, date amount, this all will write. So many students they are having the habit not to write the section's name as well as the question's number. They are thinking that one, by reading the answer, by seeing the answer, teacher will understand. That we know. But don't forget to write the question's number, section's name. That you keep in mind. So, 6th is over. You are having the total 8 journal. This all 8 journal I have done it. Now, I want to give you some questions to you for making practice like that questions. I am writing on the board so that you can understand what type of questions are coming, and these are the questions you will make practice at your home. Like that questions, only you have to pass the journal. I am having the board, and also you will write the answer on your fair. One. This is for the homework. I am to give the homework to you. You write the questions of this homework. Pass the journal entries. Homework. Pass the journal entries in case of deviations of a thumb. Number 1. During deviations of a partnership firm, the balance sheet shows land and building 1,50,000, land and building 1,50,000, investment rupees 60,000, and it was they could released only 1,20,000 and 80,000 respectively. This is question number 1. I have to take the chalk, it becomes so small. Next is coming. There is no record of goodwill in the books. There is no record of goodwill. There is no record of goodwill in the books of account. In the books of accounts, but it was released rupees 50,000. But it was released rupees 50,000. Number 3, the goodwill of the firm is recorded at rupees 60,000. Goodwill of the firm is recorded at rupees 60,000, but no information, about released any amount. Number 4, during dissolution of the partnership firm, after paying all liabilities and partners' loan, the excess of realization account was 80,000. Excess of realization account rupees 80,000 after paying all profit and loss ratio of ABC, profit and loss ratio of A, B and C is 5:3:2. Number 5, during dissolutions, the value of the furniture is particularly in the books of the account. There is no information about its realizations. Next today, partner J has taken the responsibility to pay his misses to his wife's loan. Of rupees 18,000. Like that, so many questions are there. One by one, it is not possible for me to write it. Like that question, you make practice, and if you are doing this practice, I think you will not have any problems. Next video, I will do the next question. That is question number 7. Question number 7 is something different. When you will do it, that time you will come to know what is this is given. And few more questions also I will do from your illustrations. Practicals, theoreticals, both. Students, once again I am telling you, before following this video, you watch the questions or read the question twice, then watch the video twice, automatically you will understand. Hope you are understanding. Okay? All the best. Bye.